Hello guys, today we're at Collins Lane level crossing in County Wiltshire. So here we go, we're waiting for you. 4:28 service from Swindon Station to Kemble. Swindon Station is 3.5 miles over there. Also, in my information, this crossing here has LED lights. Oh my god, what the hell was that? And Yodel alarms, Yodel E2Ss, and it's an automatic crossing with one barrier. I don't know what the hell that boop sound was. Gosh, good god. Also, this isn't a popular crossing because it's really narrow, because it is a really narrow road. So I guess I'll see you when it comes down. Oh, here we go. That was early. Gosh, we got here just in time. Got to take a step back because the trains go mad fast. They go mad quick over here. Here she is. And here she comes. And there she goes. Great Western Railway off to Kemble Station. And that's all for now. See you in the next video.